A tornado that ripped through a town in eastern China on Friday killed one person and injured 79, local authorities said. Images posted on social media networks showed extensive damage after the tornado struck mid-afternoon in Dongming County, 530 kilometers south of Beijing in Shandong Province. The local emergency management bureau said in a statement. The disaster left one person dead. A total of 79 people also suffered varying degrees of injury, it said. Rescue, relief and clean-up operations were underway. Chinese media showed images of huge gray tornado moving at high speed and carrying debris into the sky. Videos posted on Chinese social media network Weibo showed roads still